Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to edit text with glyphs. So what's a glyph? Glyphs are extra characters that you can use in fonts. These characters allow you to use accent marks with letters, access other language characters, and even add more decorative letters to use in your fonts. First, select the text box you want to edit by clicking it twice to put it into editing mode. You'll know it's in editing mode when you see the cursor. Edit the text so it says what you want, then add the glyph character. To add a glyph to the text box, highlight the character that you'd like to replace, open the Glyph Panel, and select the glyph that you'd like to use. The Glyph Panel is located right next to the font dropdown. When you open the Glyph Panel, you'll see all of the glyphs that the font supports. You can also add a glyph anywhere in the text box by placing the cursor in the position you want the glyph first, then select the glyph that you'd like to use. Remember, every font has a different set of glyphs, so go ahead and open the Glyphs panel if you'd like to see what's available. Keep in mind not all fonts have glyphs available to use. You can use extra glyphs only if the font supports it. If you have any questions, you can watch help videos or reach out to support by going to help.templett.com or by clicking the help link in the top right corner.